Starting around 18 November 2023, generally spell exceptionally token explicitly is exchanging at $0.000484 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in most recent 60 minutes in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell basically has a very all-out market cap of $51,933,983, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,873,160 in an unpretentious manner. This in every practical sense makes generally spell pretty token, spell, extremely positioning at 425 in the digital currency market in a significant way. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the spell in every practical sense, token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will in a real sense spell especially token for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is for the most part spell genuinely token and in every way that really matters, wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will especially spell cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These are our generally spell in every way that really matters, token cost expectations for spell's future in a sort of significant manner. Spell truly token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell truly token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross an especially normal value level of $0.000515, the normal essentially least value worth of certainly spell's sort of token, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to fundamentally be $0.000491. Or so they truly thought. Besides generally spell can explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.000534, which truly is very huge. Spell value gauge November 2023. The spell really token conjecture for November 2023 expects that the spell may arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.000514, with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.000452, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the especially normal cost really spell can for the most part stretch around $0.000500 for November, which certainly is genuinely huge. Spell value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of generally spell in every practical sense, token certainly is gauged to fundamentally be at around a truly least worth of $0.000491 in a quite enormous manner. The spell in every practical sense, token value worth can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.000534, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.000515 in United States dollars, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how spell value estimate December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of for the most part spell exceptionally token explicitly is gauged to basically be at around a by and large least worth of $0.000491, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell sort of token sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been essentially diminished by 0.41% in its genuinely current worth, or so they generally thought. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down. Showing how starting around 18 November 2023 by and large spell pretty token really is exchanging at $0.000484 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Spell really token by and large is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The spell truly is down to nearly 12.11% in the truly most recent 7 days, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for genuinely past certainly couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment. Exhibiting how fundamentally spell commonly token past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 0.41% in its truly current worth, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, The cost of spell sort of diminished by 39.056%, wiping out an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.000310 from its kind of current worth. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent for the most part purchase and open door for especially fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 34.39%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a fundamentally least sort of typical cost of $0.000684 to truly greatest sort of normal cost of $0.000745 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which certainly shows that essentially is generally spelled truly token a by and large wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token by and large is somewhere near 11.72% with the genuinely greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.000546 and the base pretty typical cost of in a real sense was around $0.000537 in every practical sense recent months, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell most certainly token value estimate 2023 facts what will especially be somewhat spell token genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The spell cost explicitly is gauged to arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0.000534 with genuinely least cost of $0.000491 toward the finish of 2023 in a quite large manner. Does explicitly spell sort of token especially have a future, which basically is genuinely critical. Regarding cost, essentially spell in every practical sense, token generally has a remarkable truly potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how truly spell kind of token, spell, value expectation 2023, as per the spell truly token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the spell cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross a very normal value level of $0.000515, the normal truly least value worth of truly spell genuinely token, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $0.000491, which especially is genuinely critical. It basically is figure that explicitly spell will increment in esteem, or so they essentially thought. As per unmistakable specialists and business experts, especially spell exceptionally token can truly raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $0.0179 till 2030, kind of additional appearance how the spell by and large is down to nearly 12.11% in the truly most recent 7 days in a significant manner. Is certainly spell fundamentally token truly worth purchasing in 2023? Spell token S worth basically is supposed to generally keep on growing, as deficiency will in general by and large empower cost rise,